Okay, so today, Wednesday the 9th, we are still working on identifying and describing the structure of the cell. Let's go do the bell work. What is the defining difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Remember? What's the one thing the eukaryotes do have? You do. Yeah, the nucleus. Good. And we can add membrane-bound organelles to that. Remember, no nucleus. Okay, good. So today we are looking at homeostasis and cell transport. And today I have done a couple of the ed puzzles. So there's two really short videos for you to watch. And you just answer the questions as you go along. And then it'll record your answers. So homeostasis is the keeping a balance of internal conditions. This happens, your whole body does homeostasis, okay? Like the regulation of your temperature, the regulation of sugar in your bloodstream, and many other things. But it also occurs individually within the cell, okay? Anyway, there's a slide here. We'll go over this stuff and do some slides on it later. But anyway, homeostasis. The next, cell transport, basically the moving of materials in and out of the cell. Okay, on this reel. All right, the moving of materials in and out of the cell. Okay, so this is a picture of the cell membrane. Okay, you have your phospholipids, your two layers of phospholipids. And as the video will tell you, there are some things that just move straight through. It's small enough, oxygen molecules and things like that are small enough to move just straight through. And keep in mind, this is something that doesn't require energy. And it'll go from an area where there's a lot of it to an area where there's not as much. So an area of high concentration, low concentration. Then there are also these little protein channels, okay? And sometimes the bigger molecules will have to go through the protein channels, in and out, things going in and out. All right, don't want to spend a lot of time working on this. So this represents the cell membrane, okay, right up here. And this is called the concentration gradient. So things move through the concentration gradient. If it's going with the concentration gradient, it's moving from high to low. If it's going against the concentration gradient, it's moving from low to high. The low to high does require energy, ATP energy. We'll go into this. Okay, so basically two types of transport. Now I've already touched on it. One is called passive, okay? Passive transport means there's no energy required. The second one is active transport. That means that energy is required. Okay, active transport. And in the PowerPoint, you see the ATP. ATP is a usable form of energy that your body, not only your cells, but your whole body uses to do its daily functions. Okay, and ATP energy is formed during cellular respiration in the mitochondria. We have touched on that a little bit. We'll go into more depth later. And let's see. So basically, we'll talk about some different types. One is exocytosis, where things exit the cell and through the cell membrane. Oh, and then we missed endocytosis. Yeah, here we go. Phagocytosis and pinocytosis, those are both types of endocytosis. But that's pretty much what the videos are going to touch on today. So that pretty much sums up everything. So y'all make sure if you're having trouble, let me know. Email me, call me. My office hours are 1 to 5. We can always arrange a time if you're having extra trouble with the technology or something. we can get you up here in the afternoon and I can spend just a few minutes with you and explain something. All right, well, enjoy your lessons and goodbye and good luck.